Hi guys, it's Leah, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So today it's all about Morphe. I got a mystery box. This is a 9-piece face and eye collection and it costs £50. And I also bought a couple of pieces from the sale they had. I got myself a palette and some lippies. So we'll do these first. If you haven't already checked out my video for my January giveaway, I have the Emily Edit, the Needs and the Wants palettes. I'll leave the link down below for you to go check out and you can enter if you so wish to. So let's check out these lipsticks first. These are called Kiss List. It's a 6-piece lip collection. From high shine lip glosses to matte liquid lipsticks, these best-selling babes go all pout with popular hues that are faves for a reason. So I think these were originally £25. I got them half price at £12.50. Now I've never bought any lipsticks from Morphe before, so I'm not quite sure if they're a yay or a nay. Just take them out and I will swatch some colours for you. Okay. So, first one is this. I like the packaging, quite cute. Let's do a swatch. Right, so I'm saying this is obviously a lip gloss, quite nice, quite pigmented, quite a nice nude pink colour. There. Quite pretty. And then we have, this looks like a actual matte lipstick, which it is. The colour in the tube. That's the colour on the swatch. Quite nice. I can see that they are quite pigmented, which is always a bonus. Next one is this colour. Ooh, this is quite a chocolatey dark colour. I mean, I wear it, it's okay. This one down here, quite like it. Next one is this one. This is quite similar to the other one I've just done. And it's this one. So far this is probably my favourite colour one. Quite a nice colour. This one is so pretty. I'm assuming this is lip gloss and it does have some like, I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to pick that up, but it has got some iridescent, shiny to it. Oh, it's actually quite pretty. You're probably going to be difficult to see that on camera. Yeah, I can't even see it myself. But it's quite pretty on, very subtle. And the last one we have is this is another lip gloss, this colour. That's quite nice as well. Right, okay, so I didn't realise, but it looks like they have shades at the bottom. So the one I've just done is called Pixie. Then we have Frosé. Then we have Taunt. We have True Story. We have Jealousy. And the first one I tried is called Boho. Right, okay, so that's the lippies. Quite happy with them. They're quite pigmented. I suppose you could wear the gloss on top of the lipsticks if you wanted to. So yeah, quite nice. I had quite a few palettes for sale. They had quite a few like large palettes. I think they were coming up at maybe 28, half price £14, like 50% off. So this is the palette called 350S. It's a Nature Glow and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. So let's have a look at this. So it's just the regular black Morphe box, and then inside we have some really pretty colours in there, which I really like. Very cute, very gorgeousness. Ow. Right, I'll swatch a couple for you. Ooh. Beautiful. Guys, look at those. They are stunning. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. These colours remind me of the Jaclyn Hill palette that I got. If you haven't seen that video, it is the cohorted subscription box. We got a Jaclyn Hill palette in there, and I swatched very similar colours to these. So really happy with that. They are my colours. They are, let me just do a couple more because it's such a pretty colours. Stunning, in fact. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. There you go. This palette, while it's on sale at £12.50, it's absolutely well worth it. They didn't just have this one, they had quite a few, but a lot of you guys know that I do like my oranges and reds, neutral colours. Stunning. I love that palette. I will get a lot of use out of that one. Right, and then went on to buying this. So this is the Morphe. It's called the Surprise Box. It contains 9-piece face and eye collection. It was £50, and that's about all I can tell you. They do have another one. I think that was a 5-piece, and that was more predominantly for eyes. Okay, so let's have a look. So we have a few goodies in there. You can see straight away we've got palette, eyelashes, we've got some brushes, lipsticks there. Let's have a look. Starting off with the eyelashes, not something that I will probably use. These are way too dramatic for me, but I'll put them in a giveaway. Someone can win them. Then we have this. This is called Blushing Babes. Blend the rules. Feeling cheeky, we thought so. You're a Morphe babe after all. Show your true colours with this trio of creamy blushes. Very nice. Let's have a look. Packaging's cute. Colours are nice. They're okay for my skin tone, for sure. Very pretty. And these are the colours Maker, which is this one, and then we have Creator, and then we have Influencer. So I'll do a quick swatch on these. Not sure I'm that impressed with these. There you go. This one here I'd probably use as an eyeshadow. I feel like that's really dark. Let me just swatch that one again. First one. So that was that one. don't think there's any shimmer in them. Doesn't look like it. I'll definitely use it. I mean, it's nice. Very nice. Love the little box. It's cute. Then we have the 35T. This is the Dope Taupe palette. Let's have a look at this one. So it's just the standard palette that you get from Morphe. Never know whether you should say Morphe or Morphe. I like that you get the little list of colours inside. And this is the palette itself, which are nice colours. These are colours that I would definitely use. Very, very pretty. Let's swatch a couple of these bad boys. Okay. These are a mixture of shimmer and matte. So I'll do a couple of each. Let's go with that one. That one. So I'm not impressed with the matte on that one in particular. Let's try that one and that one. Yeah, they're cute colours, nice, very, very nice. Where am I going to? Let's see. No, probably not. I'm so cat-handed. I'm going to do the other arm. Right, let's do a couple more. Right. I can't say I'm overly impressed with the matte. I mean, this is a matte here. And there are the colours. However, it does look better on the skin. Okay. I mean, it's okay. I think these boxes have got a value of something like £106. I want to say £106, which I don't think is too bad, until I went online and saw that they got this palette in the sale at £12.50. So obviously that is going to, not £12.50, I do apologise, £14. So that is going to knock the overall value down of this subscription, this mystery box. Okie dokie, so that's that. And then we have a little bag of goodies. So there's some lipsticks in there, we've got some brushes. Let's do the lippies first. So this first one is called Morphe. It's a lip crayon. It's in the colour, I think that's supposed to say thanks, THX. And let's get in the box. Okay, so that's the shade I'm guessing it's meant to be, and this is the shade you get. Nothing like it. Nice though. Very pretty. This looks more like this now. Yeah, I'll wear that. I like that. It's creamy, it goes on easily. It's quite pigmented. Yeah, like that. Then we got Dominate. This is a lipstick. Love the packaging, beautiful. Very nice. I like the red bit here. And that is pretty, I'd say that's like an orangey red colour. Swatch that there. Yeah, it does come off more pink than you think. It's got like it's pinky red, but it's got like an undertone of the orange. I think that is really, really pretty. Very nice, I will wear that. I do like the Morphe emblem in the middle of the lipstick. Okay, and then we have a lip gloss in the colour Boho. And that looks like this. So I feel we got this in the little set, didn't we? Let's have a look. That one? Yeah. So we've got a little one and we've got a big one. Which I already know I really like, so it's that one there. Lovely. Okay, and then we have some brushes. What do we have here? We have 3 brushes. So we have a, does it say on it? I think this is a 713. Cute, very nice. Actually don't have any Morphe brushes, so these are welcomed. Lovely. Then we have a blending brush. Oh, try and get it out. These are sealed actually. I'm not sure I can get into it to show you it. But that is it there. So I would say that is a blending brush for your eyes, and it's saying it's a R39. So anybody that knows anything about the Morphe brushes knows what that one is, but I unfortunately do not. And then we have another brush. This is a blender brush. This is an R34, which again is quite nice. Okay, so they are my items. I like them. I think this palette here I'm in love with. Like these colours too. I love this lipstick here, like this one. Well, that's the crayon, isn't it? Like the lip glosses. So, I'm not sure about these. I would have thought they would have been a little bit more pigmented. But I suppose start off small, work your way up. So yeah, that's all I've got for you today. Don't forget, enter that giveaway. And it closes on at the end of the month, so you've still got time. It's open to international. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye.